Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics Ottava SC-C65 all-in-one stereo CD player, music player, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not responding, anything like that, not playing CDs, all this kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you are just trying to set this up as a brand new device somewhere and you just want to get everything wiped off of it. We can do that really easily. So if you have the controller, we can just do this straight from the controller. Just looking at this display here, all we're going to do is we're just going to come, and it's real easy. We're going to hit the setup button, and once we get the setup menu comes up here, we're just going to then use these arrows here and to toggle down until it says initialization on here. So we'll toggle down to the arrows, and once we get to initialization, we'll hit OK. Then we'll just have to toggle to yes, using the arrows again, toggle to yes, hit OK. It will reset. You may need to toggle again to yes to clear the memory, hit OK again, and everything will be reset to back when it came out of the box for the first time.